This is a review of this 3-tier sofa table, also a entry table. But we're primarily using it as a storage in one of our rooms. And we got this because we love the weathered look on there, the two-tone, and it also goes really well with another item that we have in this space. If you, we use it for storage, and we have those little cube bins that you can use, and it fits perfectly. You can put 3 across on each shelf, so you can get up to 9 if you use the top. We use the top for, to display stuff. We like this little wiring that goes around it. It's a little metal piece. You can see on the top where it's attached. That's the one thing that is not, to me, is not. I wish there was a different way, but I understand why it has to attach that there. It is very sturdy. It's perfect. It fits our needs. Great in this space. If you are looking for a sofa table, for storage or anything like that you need, look at getting this. I give it a 4.5 out of 5 stars just because how this was attached, but it doesn't bother my wife, and she gives it a 5 out of 5 stars.